Alright, so this is just a quick tip for you guys with the Sony ZV-1 camera or any of the other ZV cameras. I love this camera, I've been using it for a while, but my only issue is how it shakes when you're moving. So I'm gonna walk, just to give you a little example, and then I'm gonna do like a little light jog. Just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. But check this out. So if we just change one setting on this camera, hold up. So I'm gonna go to the menu, and under the movie 3 option, where you see that second camera icon, I'm gonna go to this steady shot option right here. So I'm gonna select steady shot, and I'm gonna put it in active. Now let's try this again. All right, so we got the steady shot in active mode. So I'm gonna start with a light walk again, and then speed up to a light jog. That's great, that's great, that's great. All right, so we got it off, walking at a fast speed, and then I'm gonna jog. All right, back on, walking, and I'm jogging. I'm gonna even like shake the camera a little bit. But yeah, I thought this was pretty awesome because, again, this is the only issue I had with this camera. I even considered buying other cameras because of this issue. So hopefully this video helped you save you some money. But that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.